Got her hat on. Okay, she loves the palm tree. Hey, what's up? Gonna get the bear? Are you gonna get the bear? Yeah. Oh boy. Here's the bear. Why don't you grab it? You gonna grab it? Oh, so excited. So excited. She got her little watercolor hat on. Oh, sorry. Hey. Look at the feet. Look at the feet. Yeah. Hey, you gonna get the bear? Get the bear. You gonna grab it? Oh, so excited. Okay, we grabbed it. Take it. Take it. It's okay. Yeah. There we go. That's new. Oh! There we go. Oh. Oh, now she's shy. Oh, there we go. All right, we're saying goodbye.